About a week ago, I came out to this property to look at a zone that was getting low pressure beyond that tree right there. And my solution would have been to find that problem with the tree root grabbing the lateral line, fix that problem, and that would allow the water to travel to the end of the zone. What I didn't know when I made that video is that this is a polypipe system and the customer would rather not deal with polypipe anymore. So instead of doing that repair, we're going to run a whole new zone. Let me show you. Starting with the point of connection, you can see I've already shot a line underneath this sidewalk here using some boring techniques. Then we're going to come out here, go out through this fence. That point of connection is right behind me through this gate. We have to go underneath that gate, underneath this sidewalk, and then we'll use our geo ripper to trench right down the edge of this sidewalk all the way around the corner to install about 16 heads. Right now I need to figure out which one of those 4 pipes controls the zone we're working on. So as you can see, I took the top of that indexing valve off and I have the hose connected to the irrigation system with the ball valve closed because I'm going to use the water from the irrigation system to run the water through the hose to this point at the end of the zone, which will back flush the water all the way back to the indexing valve. Looks like I'm going to get real lucky and it's this pipe right here, which means I can tap into it right there and connect it to that pipe right there. Super easy. Awesome. All right, we're all tapped in and we're going under the sidewalk and coming out the other end. Don't worry, indexing valves always look ugly. And there's our point of connection, sidewalk, crossing, and our connection out to the gate. Just got to backfill it so that it looks like this. Nice and clean. Now let's go see what the outside looks like. All in about a half day's work. We got a little bit more cleanup to do here, but as you can see, the trench that we're leaving behind will be very, very small. And there we go, everything working nice and perfect. How's it look over there, Kevin? On to the next one.